What's up, everybody? So today we will be talking about, I made 400 subs. Woo, yay! Fireworks going off and bang. My year goal for the end of this year was actually 350 subs. That's what I was hoping for. And here it is, September. I made 400. I think I'm actually at 401 right now. Just cool. Because it's that's more than what I wanted. More than what my goal was. Of course, we always want more. So thank you to everybody. Hi, Sheriff. Thank you to everybody that supports, that subs, that likes and shares, everybody that comments. And I have to apologize to everybody because I don't always comment like right back. It does take me a few days to get my comments. That's one thing that's kind of shitty about YouTube. It does, even with YouTube Studio, it doesn't notify you very well that you've got comments or that you're getting comments. But I try, periodically check, see what kind of comments are there, and then try to respond. Like I said, I do my best. I probably could do better. I just need to check it more often. Should have gotten out of the lane. This lane sucks. Okay, and the other half of this video will be about my youngest daughter. I mean, it's not a secret. Anybody that's watched my videos or talked to me, everybody knows that she has epilepsy, and you know, she's been doing really great. She's been doing real good. She got a part of this epilepsy foundation, and it's called Purple Peace Foundation. Purple Peace America International. I can't remember. Shit. We'll try to link it down below if anybody's interested. But it's a pretty cool deal. She's part of this, and they had this deal where it wasn't like a competition or anything. It was just a drawing or God damn it. Come on, think, dumbass. Words. Anyways, she was in this deal to where she could win a trip, and she actually won it. And I think there was 3 people that could possibly win, and she was one of them. And it was it is a trip to Disneyland out in California. So in November, she gets to go to Disneyland. It was pretty fucking awesome. She's pretty stoked about it that she won this. I mean, because the holler luck sucks. I mean, the holler luck is just shitty as fuck. So for her to win this is a pretty amazing deal. She's, like I said, she's pretty stoked. She's pretty fucking happy about it. And I'm happy for her. The next question will be, will I be coming with her? No, I will not be. Her mom is going with her. I will not be. As much as I'd like to, but I can't. Because I could make it into a motovlogger trip too. I mean, I was thinking about that shit immediately. I come out and see everybody I didn't get to see at SAMM. Like, try to come out and see a few people, because the trip is for 2 days, but it's going to get extended out for 4 or 5 days. 3 days. It's for 3 days, and then gets extended out. I don't know, something like that. anyways, like I said, she's doing really good. She's still having some issues of coping with stuff, which most kids have problems with anyways, because, you know, they feel like they're different from everybody else. Shit like that. She's having problems with that kind of deal. She's not very social because she feels like she's different. She feels like people look at her differently, which is a bad thing, but I've been talking to her and try to get her over that, kind of push her past it, but we'll see how that goes. When you have to ride proper because there's a damn sheriff there the whole fucking time. So like I said, it's just gonna be, you know, like a quick one, just a quick update. Let everybody know what has been going on. I know some people still ask me about her all the time. So the answer is right now she's doing really good. Still having, you know, teenager issues that I'm at, you know, all teenagers really have. Let's go fast. She just has a few bumps to work on, and for the cyst on her brain, that's still pretty much subsided for now. Still kind of wait until February to get it checked again to see what's going on. She got glasses and she wears contacts, so a few things have kind of eased her up a little bit, but she's doing really good. So thanks for everybody that always asks questions about her, and thanks for all my subs, thanks for all the support, thanks for everybody that helps me. And don't forget, I got new stickers. I even got some pink ones for the ladies or lady boys, whichever one wants them. Just hit me up on the Instagrams or on my Hollarmoto fan page on Facebook. Y'all want them? Give me an address and I'll get them shipped out to you. They do not cost anything. I'm not charging for them, so all I need is addresses. And I know some people's been waiting a while for stickers, and if you've been waiting, send me your address again and I will get them sent out. Like I said, thanks for all the support. It's much appreciated. I'm slowly climbing. Harley-Davidson is one of the hardest motovlogging channels to grow, so I try to make it different. That's why I got these different camera angles and everything. I try to do what I can to entertain you guys. So thanks for everything. I appreciate the much continued support. Make sure you comment, make sure you share, make sure you interact, and I will interact back. I promise. I will do everything I can. I don't want to go that way. But I'm going to go ahead and call this one. So I hope everybody had a great weekend, and I will catch you on the flip side. Hang on. Later.